the other thing is to consider here, it's the electrification itself remains. Every cable still carries current, so every cable is producing a bubble. For instance, if you don't have a very good electrical engineer that goes to your place and help you to spread the load of how every electrical line in your home is basically balanced. Because if you have one line, you are connected everything there. So there, I have,
Mhm.
for instance, I have customers that I arrive and they say, I have a solution, Joaquin. I have a room. That's the room that is the hell, but everything is happening there. I'm putting everything to connect there, charging everything, yes. But that specific line goes to the electrical panel and it's putting a huge bubble because the amount of amps you are putting in that specific line is producing a huge amount of dirty power. So
Mm.
the dirty power or dirty electricity is one of those type of contaminants that we can get in our bedroom even if we don't have anything connected. The only way that you
Right.
can avoid that is just turn off the switch, the kill switch, and reduce
Yep.
completely the electricity.
Which a lot of our families and, our physicians suggest. Yep.
Yes, and it's a very good approach. So when we start to understand this, we are not going to miss the point that, for instance, I have some customer they have issues with the babies. They're always crying, and when
Hmm.
I go to their bedroom, they have a power strip connected to just a little lamp, and they're putting the electrical field directly into the electrical stimulation to the nervous system.
Yep.
So it's simple things that you think is not producing any harm because it's not smart, it's fine, and it's not. And then we have the other aspect that we need to consider here is the shielding approach in as a standard solution. And this is something that we need to also see it in a good way because the shielding approach is what we call also the shielding paradox. And the shielding paradox stands that when you're trying to isolate yourself, and the people are using fabric textiles and you're using a specific type of material to isolate themselves from the microwave radiation. But the problem
Hmm.
is when you do that, you are also blocking the natural flow and interaction with the natural EMF. And this is well
Hmm.
proven, and it was proven in several studies. And the most important study around this that I can connect easily to everybody was an article that came out last year. I have it here about honeybees and the honeybees' behavior in a Faraday shielded hive. And all the bees die because they lose the interaction with the human residue.
Oh, wow.